Hello everybody, I'm back again. I've been a bit ill lately, but I'm getting better now. Today we're going to prepare chickpea fries. So I'm just going to start from scratch because I know I have the videos already uploaded on how to make the first step, right? Just in case, I'm going to start with a half a cup of water, and we're going to, that water was already boiled, so it's best to wait until it's boiled. You can add more water if you wish, if you don't want it extremely firm. I already take the whole chickpeas and blend it in the blender dry to make it flour, and then fill my glass jar. So whenever I need it, it's already grounded for me. So since this is already hot, I'm gonna start putting in there the chickpea flour and just start stirring. Just have it on low heat so it doesn't burn. If it's too dry, just add more water. I'm gonna use the same half cup. I'm gonna add half of that. So basically I think I might use 1 cup of water. So on low heat, just stir it for a good 3 to 5 minutes so it cooks well, even though you're still gonna end up frying it. If you feel that it's sticking too much, it's because the heat is way too high, so just lower it. Now here is when you can add some salt and then mix. You can add other spices if you wish, but for me, salt is enough. Okay, so this has been more than 5 minutes and it's ready. So we grab our mold, whichever you wish to use, and you just pour your batter in there. Okay, so you just let it cool. Once it's really nice and hard, then I will take it out and cut them into long pieces so it looks like fries. And I will fast forward that part, and at the ending I will show you the results. That way this video doesn't turn out to be way too long. Okay, so I will fast forward when I start cutting and frying, and then I will be back. My friends, so there is the results. A very easy, quick way to make chickpea fries. Healthy, simple, fast to make. A very healthy snack, and I hope you try it out. Let me know if you try it out. Comment below. Tell me if you liked it or not, because I know there is a lot of people that don't like chickpeas, and there is a lot of people that do love chickpeas. And these are just ideas that I want to share with you, which is ways to eat a snack, you know? Whenever you don't have chips, or you rather not have chips and you rather eat something like this, which is much more better. And I just hope you try it out. Let me know if you liked it. Comment below, thumbs up, share the video. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching, and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!